At BH Global, our decarbonization journey began over 2 decades ago, driven by a clear gap in sustainable solutions within the marine and offshore industry. Our commitment has reshaped the way we operate, from cultivating an environmentally conscious workforce to making strategic investments in green technologies that benefit not only our organization, but also our partners and customers. Through structured communication, capacity building, and the implementation of transparent reporting mechanism, we cultivated a culture where emission data became a tool not just for measurement, but for accountability and collective motivation. Today, this integrated approach to emission tracking is not only yielding measurable results in reducing our carbon footprint, but it has also instilled a deeper sense of ownership and pride among our employees. UN Global Compact Network Singapore and the LowCarbonSG community has been pivotal in advancing BH Global's low-carbon journey. Beyond technical support, the program helped foster a culture of accountability and ownership within our organization. Being named a LowCarbonSG finalist for the Singapore Apex Corporate Sustainability Award is both a profound honour and a significant milestone for BH Global. As a finalist among some of Singapore's most forward-thinking companies, we are inspired to continue pushing boundaries, sharing knowledge, and contributing to the national and global sustainability agenda.
Our decarbonization journey began more than 15 years ago when we established our internal green program, a commitment to creating refrigeration systems that outperform industry standards in environmental friendliness. By prioritizing better materials, dedicated R&D, and innovative design collaborations, we develop energy-efficient heat exchangers while ensuring we remain competitively priced. A major milestone was investing in solar panels, first at our 8,400 square meter China facility, and then at our 4,700 regional HQ in Singapore. This led to an almost 20% reduction in our Scope 1 and 2 emissions in just 1 year. The UN Global Compact Network Singapore and LowCarbonSG community accelerated our sustainability efforts through training, network, and the use of their GHG protocol-aligned certs, which enable us to track emissions accurately and establish credible baselines. Earning the LowCarbonSG participant logo boosted our credibility. The logo became a powerful stakeholder communication tool, differentiating us in competitive processes. Being named a Singapore Apex Corporate Sustainability Awards finalist is a prestigious honor, affirming the efforts of our staff, validating our commitment to UN Global Compact principles, and demonstrates our leadership in advancing sustainable development goals. This recognition positions us among Singapore's sustainability champions and, through its rigorous evaluation, provides us with valuable business insights.
Our decarbonization journey was driven by the Panasonic culture of contributing to society, which emphasized people and the planet. To date, one of the most impactful changes we have made was transforming our campus, which was previously a high-energy demand factory. We launched a 2-year, 3-phase solar energy project. Phase 1 alone reduced our fuel energy consumption by 25%. Alongside this, we upgraded our 900 square meter office outdated air conditioning system to an eco-friendly inverter system. The support from UN Global Compact Network Singapore and the LowCarbonSG community has been vital. These networks provide knowledge, tools, and benchmarking resources that help us identify the opportunities and accelerate implementation. Being a LowCarbonSG finalist for the Singapore Apex Corporate Sustainability Award is a meaningful recognition of our effort. It affirms our commitment to integrating sustainability across both our solution and operation, and motivates us to continue contributing to a low-carbon future through responsible design and innovation.
As a maintenance service provider operating in traditional carbon-intensive sectors, we have embarked on a decarbonization journey driven by a key insights. Our contributions within the industry enable us to drive meaningful change. In 2023, our management made a clear commitment to reduce emissions under Scope 1 and Scope 2 by tapping into renewable energy through our existing infrastructure. For Scope 1, we have achieved approximately 60% reduction in non-transport energy usage. For Scope 2, we successfully reduced our carbon emissions by 36% reduction, through the installation of high-efficiency solar panels. Joining the UN Global Compact Network Singapore and LowCarbonSG community has provided us with more than just a benchmark. It has provided us with a carbon management tools that help us identify Scope 1 and Scope 2 hotspots. The support helped us frame our emissions tracking in a structured, credible way that guided our strategic decisions. It affirms the hard work our ground crews, engineers, and sustainability team that have put into to shift mindsets and operation models. It also shows our clients and partners that we are not just keeping up, we are leading the way in carbon-conscious maintenance practices.
Hitachi Elevator Asia has implemented several environmental plans which includes conservation of natural resources, prevention of global warming, and increasing resilience of ecosystems, all with the aim of contributing to a healthier environment to achieve carbon neutral by 2030. To this one, Hitachi Elevator Asia has drastically reduced the office space and continue to offer work from home arrangements to employees, which significantly reduce energy from using lesser compressors and reduce water consumptions. With this transformation, the CO2 emission from electricity have dropped by more than 50%. We were grateful for the support received from UN Global Compact Network Singapore and the LowCarbonSG community as we embark on the low carbon journey. The tools and resources provided, particularly CERT and the detailed explanation session, play a vital role in helping us kickstart and structure our sustainability efforts. As a finalist, it's a huge recognition for our efforts and contributions towards sustainability, which is strongly integrated into our strategy and is at the core of Hitachi Group identity, rooted in the sincere belief of Hitachi.